Today I want to talk to you all about the 4 categories of forage available to wildlife. Now this is not referring to feed or crops that are put out or planted by man, but just stuff that you can go out on your land and find in the woods or in the fields. And the first category is forbs. Forbs are herbaceous, non-grass vegetations. And the first example here is silverleaf nightshade with a very dried up poisonous fruit. Mat euphorbia, western ragweed, giant ragweed with its very tiny seeds that birds will eat. And the last example is forbs that we have here is bitterweed. Bitterweed is poisonous in its vegetation, but the greater prairie chicken is known to eat the tiny seeds. The next category is browse. Browse is woody vegetation, and it refers to the leaves, twigs, and new growth of those plants. So an example of that would be an oak branch with its leaves, mistletoe, privet, and greenbrier. And on this greenbrier we have its seeds, which brings us to our next category, mast. Now mast is the fruits, seeds, and nuts of woody vegetation, of browse. So an example of these would be hackberry seeds, acorns from the oak, privet seeds, and greenbrier seeds. Now, the last category is the grasses. As you can see, I did not have enough time to gather very many samples of this. This is some Johnson grass. We only have one versus all these others here. You can see the tiny little seeds that birds will eat. Other animals will eat the grass stalks and the leaves. There's a lot of other examples out there that you might find on your land, such as blue stems, the little and big blue stem, and like switchgrass. And that sums it up for our video today. We're talking about the 4 categories of forage. You have your forbs, your browse, your mast, and your grasses. Stay tuned as we continue to teach about topics such as this, and remember to keep Texas wild, 1 acre at a time.